Okay, this next unboxing is for my brand new pasta machine. So I've had two pasta machines now since I've started doing polymer clay. Both of the first two were bought either at Hobby Lobby or at Michael's. They're like 20, 30 bucks for the regular generic pasta machine. Well, both of those have broke. The gears either get jammed up or the little turner thing stops turning. So I invested in this, I think it was 40 something dollars. I bought it on Amazon. This is the most recommended pasta machine that I have found. So I went ahead and I invested a little bit more to buy a better one now that the pen business is taking off a little bit more. So I wanted to unbox this for you and kind of let you guys know what I thought about it in case you are wanting to get really big into polymer clay as well and you wanted a good quality one. So here's how it came, and I will also put the link of this from Amazon in the description if I can ever figure out how to open this all the way. Maybe I gotta take this box out first. There we go. Okay, so let's see what's in here. Oh, sorry, my phone just went off. Hold on, let me just turn that thing off. There we go. Okay, so I'm assuming this is the attachments. Yes. So here is the handle that it comes with. Should be, yes. I call this the anchor. This is what you put on the corner of your desk. Then you can tighten it up. Let's check this thing out. Woo, it's already much heavier than the other ones. And it comes with this care guide, Atlas Wellness. Probably tell you how to perform maintenance, do your cleanings, things like that. Set that off to the side. Okay, so let's take a look at this puppy. This is already much bigger than my other ones, and I do actually have my broken one right here. Just so you guys can see how much larger this one is compared to this one. Let me just spin that around. See this, the dial broke on the other one. So it is much bigger, much wider. The roller is larger, which means it probably has more settings. Put this back over here. Let's take a look on the inside here. It does have the stainless steel rollers. Nice blades down here to cut your piece with. On the side here, let's see. It looks like the settings you pull out to go bigger or larger. So it looks like it goes from the 1 being the largest. Nope, 0 is the largest. And then all the way down to 9 being the thinnest. So you see as you make this bigger, that roller will get larger as well, the gap in between. And then when you change it, it kind of goes into place. And then the anchor goes right in here. You'll just put that in there and put it on the edge of your desk. And then, keep spinning it until it's nice and tight. Let's see how smooth this crank is. Oh yeah, that's nice and smooth. Hear that nice clicky sound? Oh, that's beautiful. I am very excited to use this. I will keep you guys updated on what I think of it, but I will tell you right now, if you're just starting with polymer clay, those cheaper ones might be just fine for you. But me, I've been making polymer clay videos and making all sorts of pens, and they just don't last for me. Now, if you're planning on just doing a couple things here and there, maybe the cheaper one's for you. I'm not going to recommend it anymore because I've been through 2 within 3 months. But again, I'm a heavy, everyday polymer clayer. Polymer clayer, that's a thing, right? Anyway, I do it every day. I'm pretty rough with it. By rough, I mean consistent use for hours every single day. because I have orders to fill. So from what I read, this is going to be more consistent. This is going to last longer. Not only that, but this company here, Marcato, sorry if I'm saying that wrong, but they make replacement parts for all of these. And I believe it comes with a 1-year manufacturer warranty. And I don't know if you can see this under here, but this white part has a blade protector, which every time you spin it, it sharpens the blade too. So that's a really nice effect. So when you roll through your sheets in and you go to pull it, it makes that nice clean cut. So I'll show you more, throughout the videos that I make. I'll reference the Atlas pasta machine so you know, but I will keep everyone updated how I like it. Thanks for watching. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys this quick video for the unboxing on how well this pasta machine works. It is amazing. So I've used this for a few different projects already, and let me tell you, it is so much better than the ones that you can buy at Michael's and Hobby Lobby. It's so much more durable, and listen, isn't that just a beautiful sound? I think it's beautiful. So I'm going to just demonstrate how it works for the unboxing video. Here I just have a conditioned sheet of black Primo polymer clay. Just going to show you how well and how smooth this machine actually works. Right now I have it on a setting 0. Okay, this is the dial, and I have it on the thickest setting. And it is cranked right here. I call it a crank, I don't know what it's called, but the thing that goes in this hole, you screw it on tight so it doesn't move. Okay, and this is how you spin it. The handle does come out, and then you can put it back in. Okay, so preconditioned black clay, thickest setting. Look how smooth. That is just beautiful. Now I'm going to take it down to, so the thinnest setting on this one is a 9. So I'm just going to show you a 5 real quick. So same thick, it's the thickest setting now. I'm gonna put it right back through, nice and flat. Absolutely perfection. So smooth. And I just went from the very thickest to a 5. I folded the piece of clay in half. I am going to show you the thinnest setting, which I don't typically use that often for my projects, but I just want to show you how it would come out. Look at this. I have yet to have a pasta machine that can handle spitting out clay in the thinnest setting. It's outstanding. And this again is the Atlas 150. That says wellness. It is a, what is it called? Oh, Marcato. There we go. Love this pasta machine. I'm so glad I paid a little bit more than the Hobby Lobby Michael's pasta machine. I'm so glad this is going to last a long time. Absolutely love it. 5 stars for Crashly, or 5 stars from Crashly. Bo show. All right. Thank you guys again for watching. See ya.